Hello everyone, welcome to my channel IELTS Speaking with Ishish. In this video, I am going to talk about the follow-up questions. I have decided that I am going to make two videos. In one video, I am going to talk about the cue cards, and in the second video, I am going to talk about the follow-up questions of that particular topic. And I will try to answer as simple as I can, or you can guys also comment in the video that you want simple answers or you would want answers with good English or good vocabulary. So whatever your choice is, you can mention in your comments. This is my book which is available on the Amazon. Anyone who is interested to have one-on-one speaking session with me, they can purchase the ebook or paperback and send me the order details, and then we can have a proper speaking session, and I will also guide you how to use this book. So now jumping into the questions. The first question is, are there any positive effects of working with the family member? Yes, there are many positive effects while working with a family member. Firstly, family members are very supportive and they also guide us in our thick and thin time. Secondly, they know about our weakness. They know what are our positives and what are negatives, and they will guide us when we are working with them. And lastly, I think they will be more patient with their family members because they know they need to succeed together. So the patience level will be high while working with a family member. Second question, what kinds of family businesses are there in India? In India, there are a lot of businesses. Some businesses are of multinational level like Tata's and Reliance. These are family businesses. On small scale businesses like sweets shop, clothing shop, sportswear shop, these businesses are of slow level, but they are also very common in my country. Third, why do people like to set up family business? People like to set up family business because in a business, the most important thing is to find trustworthy persons. And I think family is the one with whom we can trust fully and we trust them 100%. So that is why people tend to start family business so that they can get the help from their family persons and they will stand there even during their failure times. That is why people prefer to start family business. Fourth, what are the advantages and disadvantages of a family business? There are many advantages of running a family business. The first thing is that the family will work together, their bond will increase because they will spend a lot of time together. Secondly, there will be more trust between them, and there is a high chance the business will succeed because the persons will trust each other more comparing to a stranger. However, the biggest disadvantage of family business is that if a person or a family member try to commit a fraud or something like that, their relationship will be ruined forever. This is also very common in many families. Business are tore apart because one family member decided to cheat. So this is the biggest disadvantages of working in a family business. Next, what are the causes for the success of a family business? The causes for, I think the primary cause is that the relationship between the family members. If the relationship between the family members is pure, the business is bound to be successful because the trustworthy level is more and people will work even harder because they want to succeed. So this is the major cause when considering to success of a family business. Next, how should be the relation among members of a family business? I think the relationship should be cordial because there will be some times there might be failures and the relationship need to be healthy and cordial. So then only a difficult situation will be overcame because in business there are ups and down, and if only if the relationship is good, then only the family business will survive. Otherwise, a family business can crumble. Seventh, in what ways have families in your country have changed recently? In this 21st century, families are now shrunk to nuclear family. Earlier, joint families were common, but however, nowadays, nuclear families are there with only husband and five wife living together, and even in metropolitan cities, even people are now living with their pets. So the size of the family is shrinking, and I think this is because of the globalization, because people have to migrate from their hometown to a bigger cities to have a better career. So that is why the size is shrinking. Next, should husbands and wives have different roles within the family? In this century, the gender discrimination is almost fading away because husbands and wives both are working. They are working neck to neck, earning their livelihood. So that is why the roles are also reversed. So there is no particular role that is assigned to a husband or wife. Earlier that was the case, but now there is no particular role. Next, which are more important to you, your family or your friends? For me, family comes first because family always stands with me in my difficult times. They are always there to support me emotionally, mentally, and even financially. I think friends are for emotional and mental support, but financial support we can only get from our family. So that is why my family is more important to me. Okay. What are the advantages of working in a big company? There are many advantages of working in a big company. While working in a big company, we can get name and fame. For example, if person is working in a Google, it is a very big achievement for him. Second advantage is that big companies provide lot of options to work. They can also provide various perks like traveling to abroad and high salaries. These are very big advantages which only come with the multinational companies. Next, will promotion will be easier in a big company? I doubt that, because in a big company most of the persons are highly qualified and highly skilled, so there will be high competition and promotion will come only on merit basis. So as the competition will be high, more effort will be required for every individual to get it. So I don't think so it is easy to get promotion in a big company because of the competition. Next, should big companies donate more to charity? Yes, in my opinion, big companies should donate to charity because they are already making a lot of money from the persons. So it is their duty to give some of their profits back to the society from which they are earning a lot. And also they will set an example, and small companies and even individuals will also learn from them, and they can also even start their charity. So in my opinion, it should be the paramount duty of big companies to do charity. For instance, Tata does a lot of charity. It's a very big company in India. Next, should big companies be punished more seriously if they break the law? I think when law should be same for every person, law should not be discriminatory. If the big company is committing a crime, they need to serve the punishment or whatever they are about told to do. I don't think so big or small company should matter when considering breaking any law. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you like this video. Please do share and subscribe. Thank you.